Welcome to a new video. I'm Philipp from United Codes, and today we're gonna look at builder extensions and how we can make APE usable in any workspace with this new 24.1 feature. So let's get started. So the first step to make this work is actually to make APE able to read data from all other workspaces where you want to launch APE from. And this means actually like all workspaces, even the ones where you don't need it. But if you look here, I just installed APE in my demo 1 workspace. And I also have a demo 2 workspace, and from there I want to access APE 2. Currently you can see I only see demo 1 here, so how can we change that? Our recommended way to do this is like you need a database system administrator, and you need to run this grant apex administrator read role, and that's important. It's a read thing, so APE is only able to like read the metadata query, like which apps you have installed, the details of the apps, etc. So we can't write it to any other workspaces. Also, like, it may make sense in that way when you give it to a whole workspace, that you might want to create a separate workspace for your tools like APE or other stuff. So you only grant that role to the apps you actually like to read all the data. Okay, so we just execute that too, and that's a user where the workspace lies in. So I'm just gonna run that. Grant succeeded. So when I reload now here, you can see, okay, this hasn't refreshed yet, the job needs to run, but we can already see here, we can see workspace demo 2, and if we go into here and we switch to demo 2, we can also see that there is another app in here and already see the pages and stuff. So this worked great. All right, so next up what we're gonna do is we're logging in as demo 1, and so this is now 24.1 only. And here in the APE app, you need to go to Shared Components, Authentication Schemes, and actually create a new one. And we say based on a pre-configured scheme from the gallery. Let me make that bigger. And then we can see here it's already pre-selected builder extension sign in. Give it the same name, create authentication scheme. Then we also need to click on it again and say make current scheme. And what this now does is basically say that I don't need to use my Application Express credentials anymore. It just logs in with your developer session. So anybody who has a developer session in Apex can now launch directly into APE. So next up, we want to make it easily available for all the Apex developers to launch APE. And we can do that by creating a builder extension. And to make this as easy as possible, you have to go to into the internal workspace and go to manage workspaces, existing, and then the one where we have APE installed, that's demo 1 for us. We can go in here and we have to check, this is by default disabled. We have to enable allow hosting extensions. So that way we can create an extension link and just subscribe to it from other workspaces. So we are back in demo 1 workspace, as you can see here. And what we're gonna do now is go to the administration section, and you need to be in workspace administrator for that. Then we can click on manage service, and then there's this option here, manage extension links. And what we can do here, we can add shortcuts, and we can add one for Apex Project I. So just add one label, APE Workspace Dashboard. And what we're going to enter here is ords. And then you need to set your application ID. In my case, it's 103 for Apex Project I. And I'm going to link to page 9992. I'm going to pass an item with the value external workspace ID. And in this extension links, we can have like some placeholders, like the workspace name, workspace ID, etc. And what this will just do, open the workspace dashboard of the current workspace. Okay, so let's test this out. I'm just gonna first I need to set public to yes, and I'm going to save it. And I'm going to go to the main page here. And next up, I can just see that I have this puzzle icon up here. And here I have a new link. I can click it. And I'm directly in my Workspace dashboard. Nice. We have a lot of more links prepared. So we have like one for the app dashboard. So if you're a page designer on a specific app, if you pass this page and these items here, then we're gonna go to the dashboard of the current developed app. Same thing goes for the page dashboard. Different page here again. And here we need to pass 2 items. The links will be in the description of the video. You can just copy them from here. Just be sure to change the application ID. And also, last thing we have is a quick shortcut to schedule a new quality assurance run for your current developed app. So I'm gonna quickly add them to the workspace. Nice, I just quickly added them in here. So instead of showing you actually what it does in this workspace, now let's have the magic happen. I'm gonna relog as demo 2 now. So I'm in demo 2 now, and I can just go to administration here. Again, manage service, manage extension links. And instead of just recreating them here, what I can do is, because we set this internal setting, I can go to subscriptions, add a subscription, and subscribe to the entries from demo 1. We allow read access, subscribe. And now if I go to the main page, we can see here that I have all my links I just prepared. So let's try it out. For example, I go into my opportunities app on page 3, and then I'm gonna click on page dashboard. Boom, you can see here now I'm in Workspace demo 2, opportunities, pages, page 3 account details. This worked, and we can see all the data on my page. Also, the other thing I did was like this QRA run. So if I click here, boom, we're automatically in the quality assurance section. I have pre-filtered the scopes for the application and the schema. Can just click the standards I want to test, and I could just run my quality assurance. And that's already it for today's video of showing how to use APE with builder extensions. Let me know in the comments what you think, if you have any questions or something else, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.